Picnic by Jolly Phonics.
Zzz.
It is sunny and Snake and Inky have had a picnic. Yum! Snake is asleep and snoring. He has had lots of egg sandwiches. And Inky are in the forest. They are looking for interesting things. Look at that! Under the ground is a big ant's nest. The ants are all rushing about. They can smell something sweet and sticky. Jam! Sniff, sniff. They come up to the top of the anthill and look around. They see Snake asleep in the sun. They see the picnic things. They see the jam. Yum, yum, yum. Sweet! The ants collect the jam jar and march back to the anthill with it.
Zzz.
Cool stuff! And Inky come back from the forest. They have found lots of interesting things. Snake sits up and looks at the things they have found. Sweet chestnuts, some twigs and a bit of bark. You found lots of things. It will be dark soon. Snake, and Inky start to pack up the picnic things. Yuck! Yum! They look and look, but they cannot see the jar of jam. Under the ground, in the ant's nest, the ants are happy. Munch, munch, munch. Yum! They have lots of jam for dinner. And that was the story of Picnic. Snake, and Inky had a fun day, but the clever ants got the jam. Did you enjoy this story? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Jolly Phonics Reading Club for more fun stories and learning adventures.